Welcome to the Portwell stand at Embedded World Exhibition in Nuremberg. I'm Jürgen Hübner from Aspencore, and I'm together with Hans-Peter Nütling from Portwell. Hans-Peter, if I look around your stand, I see not only the Portwell logo, I also see KIOSK and Posiflex. What's that about?
Yeah, that's very true. So there's been an acquisition like 1.5, 2 years ago. Posiflex is the umbrella company, is the mother company of Portwell and but also of KIOSK, a US-based company. That's why.
And Posiflex is a Taiwanese company?
Yeah, Posiflex is a Taiwanese company. Posiflex is headquartered out of Taipei, the embedded city of the world, you can say, right?
Yeah.
And that's why we have, together with Portwell, lots of engineering power out of Taiwan.
Okay. And what is KIOSK doing? What it says in the name?
Absolutely, absolutely right. So KIOSK is the #1 brand in the United States or North America in terms of kiosks. So they have 25 years of experience in delivering a value proposition and a unique business model to consult the customers per application to make sure that the kiosk, which is going to be designed custom-made for that application, for that specific customer, is going to be designed accordingly. Plus software stacks, if it's a security stack, but also if it's an API, remote management software, giving the opportunity to the ISVs to connect easily to our platforms.
Okay. But now let's talk about Portwell.
Sure.
What are your major topics here at Embedded World? What are your product highlights?
Yeah, so a product highlight is one thing, we'll come to it in a minute. So what I want to underline is Portwell is a very valuable part of that conglomerate of companies. Why? Because it's a real engineering powerhouse on software, but also for sure on hardware layer, right? So we can serve within the group, like KIOSK, but also Posiflex, those engineering efforts, but also the products into a value chain, which others, like competitors, have to buy through distribution or SIs. That's #1. So in terms of products, the key strategy for Portwell going forward and currently is we call it design manufacturing services. So ODM, OEM kind of business models, so customer-specific designs. We are not that much about a brand-oriented organization, but we want to deliver the services, and we want to be sure that we have a very professional project management behind it, and to guide the customer and the design-in effort accordingly. Bridging in this case, Europe, right? So we are in Germany here, but in Europe in general, to headquarters, since the architectures and all the specification is a mutual design, customer side and ourselves. And in terms of products, finally, I would highlight our Cube series. It's a series of gateways for industrial IoT applications, but also for rugged environments in transportation and so on, but also following our group strategy in terms of retail, hospitality, that we have gateways we can offer as a full portfolio to retail markets and to hospitality environments next to KIOSK and next to POS systems.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. It was a pleasure. Thank you.